Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to talk about double or nothing feature in Grow a Garden 2. Okay, this is a new feature guys, and I think they have already removed the bargain feature. Okay, when you want to sell something to this NPC, there will be some menu, right? Some menus and some options. And as you can see here, guys, we get double or nothing feature. And basically, it can double your crops, your harvested crops, or give you nothing from the selling. And it's a gambling. If we're lucky, we'll get the double shekels, but if we're not lucky, we'll lose all the shekels and we get nothing. Okay, and I'm going to try. Let me click on double or nothing. Okay, are you sure you're risking your entire inventory? Yes, I'm risking my entire inventory. And let's see what we get. Oh, I'm not lucky, guys, so I lose everything. But that's okay. Let's just try it again. I've already harvested some fruits and I'm going to again try this double or nothing feature. Oh, not lucky. But yeah, that's how basically you can use the double or nothing feature and grow a garden too. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.